Hey YouTube, I remember when Shenseea just came on the scene. Shenseea was so beautiful. Shenseea was looking so innocent. Shenseea was like my dream girl, man. You know, the Jamaican dream where you want to have a big BMW X6 in the front of your scheme house, and on the front seat beside you, you want that perfect girl. To me, that was Shenseea, man. That was operative word was Shenseea. Because these days, I don't know what is happening to Shenseea, man. It's like Shenseea, she's soaking up all this overseas energy. It's making her into a total BI exclamation TCH. You know, she's changing. She's changing. Or she is changed. I remember when Shenseea was so sexy, beautiful, intelligent on the interviews. And I'm saying, man, Ramesh is such a general to have this girl, man, and grooming her into a star. He's gonna have the perfect girlfriend, man. He's gonna have the perfect girlfriend. Only to see they parted ways relationship wise, but they were still doing business, and Shenseea is now out here singing songs like Puni Police. She just released that song, Puni Police. Now, I don't know about any of you men out there, but I want to tell you, man, if there's a Puni Police out there, I'm the friggin' commissioner. Yes, I'm the commissioner of the Puni Police Force. Because my girl isn't gonna do as she have a like. My girl ain't gonna go here, go there, and behave as if she's independent when we're in a relationship together. That's why I'm glad the type of man that I am. You know, I just prefer to keep things on a level where I don't get emotionally involved with any woman, any modern day woman, so to speak, because Shenseea type of music is what I'm afraid of. And I thought that as a man, I start making some money, I'm thinking about upgrading myself, not only physically, financially, but also mentally, and where values are concerned. That is why I don't look up to Vybz Kartel these days, because I'm upgrading my mentality, and I realize that this guy, even though he has millions of dollars, he's not, I'm not talking about Vybz Kartel right now. Go and look at my other videos to see about Vybz Kartel. But Shenseea, she's making so much money right now. I observed her the other day. She went on a tour in Africa, and they had to close down the stage show because so many fans were trying to rush in on the stage where she was performing. That's the type of fan base that Shenseea is building right now. She's building a legacy. Significantly changed the scope of dancehall and, you know, how females are delivering music these days. She's like a pioneer of female dancehall music. And these songs that Shenseea is singing these days is like she's trying to demoralize the ladies. She's trying to turn these girls into Delilahs and Jezebels in 2025. Shenseea is singing a song about Puni Police. You're with a guy and he's in love with you. He's in love with you. He's going to want to protect you. He's going to want to make sure you're not cheating on him. You're going to be here talking about you want a man for hair, you want a man for nails, a man for bills. Where do you get so many storage? Where are all of these guys going to fit? Where are they gonna fit? You know what I mean. I don't want to say it directly, but you know what I'm talking about. You have 3-4 men going there. What are you? You're nothing but a WHORE. Pura. As my Spanish friends would say, you're a pura. And you're making it look as if it's trending. I listened to another song she sang the other day about dating 2 guys at the same time. Now, when did our Jamaican ladies become so brave and bold enough to be out here singing that they're taking more than 1 guy at the same time? They're dating more than 1 guy at the same time. They're not into commitment. They're not into being loyal. Is it that our society is degenerated to the level where our ladies now think that they're men and they can do what men do? Or have they forgotten the term, you can't do what a man do and still be a lady? They don't care about being a lady anymore. They don't care about being a lady anymore. I'm thinking that maybe Jamaica needs to move from being a Christian nation to being a Muslim nation, because when I look at the Muslim nations right now, the ladies, they have to stay in their lanes. They can't even be showing their pretty faces over in certain Muslim countries, what much less going on a media and doing music about having 3 and 4 guys at the same time. Shenseea has become such a Gen Z Delilah, Gen Z Jezebel, man. I don't know what's gotten into this girl. This girl that I actually liked so much. When Shenseea was singing Sub Rosa and all of those songs, she was the perfect girl, man. When she was singing about bad by herself, you know, bad girl and this and that, Shen Yang. But since she's gone overseas and she's mixing up with what's that girl named Megan Thee Stallion, doing music with Tyga and some of these other rap artists, she now thinks that she's a guy. You're promoting that ladies should not just keep 1 man. They should have a man for hair, a man for their nails, a man to pay their bills. You don't want any settling down, any commitments. That's what you're preaching to the little girls of Jamaica. And then you're gonna make it look as if it's art. Bright Spock TV, I want you to tell me what you think about that latest song that Shenseea sang about Puni Police. Isn't it rubbish? The message that she's singing, man. And when I look at the views that it's getting, it's as if there are ladies out there that actually agrees with what Shenseea is saying. Man, I'm so sorry for all of you niggas out there right now who are in a committed relationship, bro. I'm so sorry for you, man. Because if your lady is a fan of Shenseea, then you're doomed. Your relationship is doomed. I hope you just have like 1 child together, and because when she decides to divorce you, she's gonna take all you have. She's gonna be going for everything that you have, man. Because that's the type of lady that Shenseea is depicting in her art. The type of lady that doesn't want to be loyal to 1 man forever. It's all about the bag, it's all about the hype, it's all about the image, it's all about acting as if she's not totally into just 1 guy, but she is her own woman and she doesn't have to answer to any man. And she doesn't want any man to be watching her, telling her where to go, what to do. I'm sorry for all of you niggas who are committed right now. All of you married men, there's a 50% chance that you're not the only one in your wife's life, man. She has someone on the side. Right now in 2025, I'm so happy. I'm not married yet. I want myself a nice Muslim woman if it's possible to marry. I don't want any of these Western Gen Z friggin' Jezebels out here, man, that Vibes Cartel and Shenseea and Spice are influencing. They're destroying the family, they're destroying the women in society, and nobody is speaking about it. That is why you have Bright Spock TV. Yeah, that is why you have Bright Spock TV. If you agree to disagree, leave a comment and let's have a discussion about it. Until the next video, Bright Spock TV, one love.